Do you want to make money in candle business? Discover the secret to create scents and a brand that sells. 1. Research your market. Before launching, make sure you research your target market to understand what types of candles are in demand. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. 2. Perfect your product. Invest your time in testing and refining your candle making process. Ensure that the candle have a consistent burn, strong scent throw, and use high quality materials. 3. Create a strong brand. This means developing a brand that reflects your business values, such as choosing a memorable name, designing an attractive logo, and good packaging. 4. Develop unique scents. Experiment with different fragrance combinations to create unique scents that stand out in the market. 5. Focus on packaging. Note that packaging plays a crucial role in the customer's decisions to purchase. 6. Set competitive price. Price your candle well to cover costs and generate profits while remaining competitive. 7. Market your business effectively. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your products and collaborate with influencers. 8. Sell offline. You can get a store to sell at local market craft fairs. 9. Customer service. Excellent customer service is key to building a loyal customer base. Respond to inquiries, handle issues professionally, and ensure timely delivery of products. 10. Always learn and adapt. Stay updated with industry trends, what customers want, and use keys in candle making strategies. If this is your first time of you coming to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video.